everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with an unboxing video and first impressions of the brand new BLU VIVO XL5. So this is the successor to the VIVO XL4 that we had last year. Totally good phone, it did really well, and now we have the XL5. And it's nice because we not only have the XL5, but we have the X5. So I already showed that one off in another video. This is the larger version, mostly the same specs, but it bumps things up a notch. You get HD Plus Infinity display. It's got a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor, 13 megapixel camera. It's got dual camera setup with the depth sensor as well, a 13 megapixel selfie camera with a LED flash, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, running Android 9.0 Pie, and it has a fingerprint sensor on it. So lots of cool stuff. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and dive in and see what's in the box with the brand new BLU VIVO XL5. Alright, so here we are with our unboxing of the BLU VIVO XL5. Like I said, it's running Android 9.0 Pie. It's got the 6.3-inch HD Plus Infinity display, edge to edge. It's got the teardrop notch cut out for the front-facing camera and also for the facial recognition unlock. Leather back design, dual 13 megapixel and depth sensor combination on the back with LED flash. It's got a 13 megapixel selfie. And then you've got your 8-core 1.6 gigahertz processor. So everything you need power-wise, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, fingerprint sensor, 4,000 milliamp battery, the whole 9 yards. It's got everything you could possibly need, all for 129 bucks. Or if you get it during the limited time sale, you can get it for 109. So that's a really good deal. Alright, so taking the film off, you can see the beautiful screen there. I'll go ahead and power this up and set it off to the side so that can be doing its thing while we go through the rest of the unboxing. So as BLU is apt to do, they went ahead and included a case to go along with the phone. It's got a nice clear case, so this will keep your phone protected. One of the shortfalls of BLU devices, of course, is that they don't have a lot of aftermarket accessory support, so it's great that they include a screen protector and a case. I'm assuming that they probably have at least a glass screen protector in here, so we'll see. Now, in addition to the case, we've also got some earphones. Check those out. Looks like it's got a microphone built in so you can have your phone calls, answer the phone while you're listening to your tunes. It looks like it's got a little play pause or mute button there. And then we've got the charging cable, which looks to be, let's see here. It looks like it is just a micro USB cable, so kind of a step back from the USB-C, but at 109 bucks or 129 bucks, I really don't blame them that much, especially with the 4,000 milliamp battery. Here's our power brick, which I'm going to guess is probably quick charge. Should be 5 volt 2 amp, which should give you basic quick charge. You've got some little blue swag in here with this cool colorful sticker, and we got a neat looking SIM ejector tool. That's new. Changed up the design on me. And then we have a film style screen protector. So it looks like there's two screen protectors in here. We have a film style screen protector, and then I'm going to say that this is probably glass. Yep, this is the tempered glass screen protector to go along with the other one. So you get two different screen protector options for your individual preference, whichever one you want to throw on your phone. So that's pretty cool. So I went ahead and ran through the initial setup. So I did bypass the part where everybody gets an opportunity to see my Wi-Fi network and my password. So you can see here it's got the app drawer. That's all that's installed on here. So it's a very bare bones stock version of Android 9.0, which is fantastic. And then you can see the camera setup here on the back. You've got the 13 megapixel primary camera, and then you've got the depth sensor as well. So both of those work together so you can take your portrait shots. And then a simple swipe to the right, you get access to the Google Assistant feed. So that's built in as well. On the back, we've got the nice leather back design and the fingerprint sensor. I went ahead and registered my fingerprint so you can see how well it works here. It's pretty quick, and it seems to be accurate. I didn't have any problems with activating it and turning the phone on. And this is with the facial recognition technology. I went ahead and registered my face print, if you will. And you can see there it's nice and quick and responsive as well. Alright, so that's all I've got on the BLU VIVO XL5. It's available today, Wednesday, September the 4th. You can get it. MSRP is $129. They got a limited time offer, limited supply for $20 off, so you can get it for 109 bucks, which you really can't beat anything like this on the market. You know, $109 to get yourself a 6.3-inch HD plus display. You got an octa-core processor, 4,000 milliamp battery. It's got a dual camera setup on the back. It's got everything you could possibly want at the budget price of 109 bucks. I think it's pretty much a no-brainer if you're looking in the unlock segment. You want something cheap, but you want something that's reliable, something that takes decent pictures, and something that's going to get you through the day and more, all on a single charge. So no wireless charging. It's still got micro USB. There's a couple little drawbacks here and there, but I mean, for $109, you really can't discredit what the Vivo XL5 brings to the table. So that's all I've got on my first impressions video. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.